Shanghai TWINJET Technology Development Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional high-tech enterprise specializing in research, design, manufacture and sales of Eco Solvent printers, digital textile printers, industrial digital inkjet printers and related supporting solutions, and provide of solvent-based inkjet ink, Eco Solvent Inkjet Ink, UV curing inkjet ink, digital textile printing ink, and other series of products. TWINJET has more than 10 years of research, development, and production experience in the field of industrial digital inkjet printing market and has obtained a number of invention and utility model patents. We always adhere to the principle of quality first. Selected raw materials, advanced production equipment for grinding, mixing, centrifuging, and filling are used. We have different series, models, colors of inkjet ink production lines, a number of automatic filling production equipment, automatic labeling equipment, and vacuum packaging equipment are introduced to our production lines. TWINJET Printing Solutions and Digital Printing Ink comply with EU RoHS and REACH Green Environmental Protection Standards and have the test report of SGS. TWINJET, with reliable products, attentive service, professional after-sales service, sincerely management, won the praise and trust of customers at home and abroad. Meanwhile, our company is also committed to creating one-stop digital inkjet printing solutions for large format printers, printing consumables, supporting equipment, to create greater value and convenience for agents and customers.